When I became homeless in 1996, I was basically, if I can put it that way, newly born. I had no papers. I could not prove what I did in the past. No pictures, nothing. All of us need the human touch. So one of the things that I did is I started volunteering. Each organization that volunteered gave me something different, something that I needed, and that helped me recover. So I teach the young people to start volunteering at a young age because number one, by helping others, they actually help themselves. But number two, obviously they're not going to volunteer for something that they are not interested. And whatever they put in, they will get a lot more out of it. The fact that I cannot see my grandchildren, I teach the young people to find to any situation a substitute, a healthy substitute. My need, that's not a want, my need to teach and to share, I cannot do it with my son, I cannot do it with my grandchildren. So when I go to schools and I tell them that, they are my substitute. And they become, for the 2 hours that we are together, my grandchildren. So it's still a substitute, but it's a healthy one that allows me to go forward. One of the things that I also teach them is that it's very important to let go of the past and always to move forward. I have never asked myself, why me? The question that I had was always, what now? Also, it's important for the young people to be positive, to associate with positive people, and to think in a positive way. One of my favorite quotes that I use, besides the one that everybody knows, you know, the glass half full, half empty, but the one that I use is, a pessimist will see in every opportunity a problem. An optimist will see in every problem an opportunity. A student, I think it was a 5th or a 6th grader, asked me to summarize 72 years of life in 2 sentences. I tried to keep a straight face. I gave an answer which was not a bad one, but it made me think. And how do you answer a question like that? And so I was thinking of the 3 most important moments in my life. Number 1, knowing the joy of parenting. It's something I cannot teach, it's something has to be experienced. It's the greatest high that somebody can have. Number 2, overcoming hate, but the deep, deep hate, Sami as a human being did not exist. And I'm very proud of that. And the third one, being homeless. If I would have not been homeless, I probably would have not volunteered. I probably would have been a better or a worse place, who knows. But I would have never achieved all the accolades and where I am today. So again, like I said, in every calamity there is an opportunity. So when I'm talking about motivational speaker, I am not talking from the books. Every cliche, every sentence that I use, I can give a personal example so they can relate to it. And probably because of that and because I'm authentic, that's why I became successful. Although I don't promote myself, and I'm not very good at promoting myself. unless you're coming to my place and I want to show you, I go to schools, most of the people that I know don't know very little about me. I feel it's like bragging.